So, do you remember what we studied last class? In math, what we studied in last class? We all came across the new chapter called length, right? Yes. So, in length, we also studied what are all the measurements we can do, and also we came across the term length, and the length is used to measure objects. Okay, so length is used to measure objects, and let's revise that first. So we came across a term called meter stick. So as I already told you, meter sticks, in those days people used meter stick for measuring the larger objects. Okay, I will tell you that time you can take your box note and make a note. Okay, until then you can listen. Okay, that's enough for me. Whenever I'm instructing, you can take your box note and you can write. Okay, now just listen to the class here. So last class we studied about the meter stick, which is a long stick with the measurements, and it's helpful to measure the larger objects, right? It is very useful to measure large objects, and we can also fold it as I'm showing here. Okay, so in those days, carpenters and the people who are working in the textile shops, those people will use this meter stick, and then ruler came into the exist, that is the scale. Okay, so ruler came into the exist. So I hope you all have a ruler. Even if you're not having the meter stick, you will be having your ruler, right? Yes, it's ruler. So in ruler we can measure the smaller objects, as I already informed you. Okay, so small objects we can measure with the ruler, and in ruler also we observe there are centimeters and millimeters are there. Okay, so we came across the ruler and meter stick. Okay, and we also studied what is the standard unit for length. Okay, so meter is the standard unit of length, and we also came across that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay, this is a universal truth. It will not be changed. So it is the 100 centimeter is always equal to 1 meter. Okay, so meter is the standard unit of length, and 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So and also we saw, and also we saw many examples. We have measured the length of the giraffe, many other things, right? We compared the lengths and we also dropped the answers. So today also ma'am will be asking you few examples, few questions. You are going to answer me. Okay, it's totally related to the length, and it will be in meters. Okay, so we are going to measure the larger objects, so definitely it will be in meters. Okay, so let me shoot out the questions. Yeah, dear, I will ask about the activity later. First, let's finish off the class, okay? And then I will ask about the activity. So, can you see the first question over there? So, I'm asking about what is the sum, okay? So, now it's time to take your box notebook. If you really want to make a note, you can make a note of these examples, okay? It's very simple examples. So you can just simply make the note of the numbers and you can drop the answers here. Okay, so take your box notebook, please make a note, and I want answers from everyone. Okay, I want answers from everyone. Okay, so my question is this: what is this sum? Okay, if you see the tall building there, the tall building is 120 meter, and if you see the short building, it's 80 meter. So what is this sum? We are going to add it, and I'm receiving few answers also here. Yeah, you are right. So 120 plus 80. So if you add both the numbers, drop the numbers in correct place, 120, 120. So 1 in 100's place, 2 in 10's place, 0 in 1's place, and 80, of course, 0 in 1's place and 8 in 10's place. If you drop the answers correctly in correct place, you will get the correct answer, and that is 200. Yes, you are right. And if you are done with the first example, we can quickly move to the second example. Please drop the answers, and if you are done, all others, please make a note. Okay, Lakshya. Yes, Samriti, we should write it in your box notebook. I want to see the working out works in there. Okay, so you're working out, right? I want to see that in your box notebook. So please make a note in your box notebook. Okay. Everyone done? Can I move to the second example? Yes, as it is very simple, you are just adding the meters given and you are dropping the answer. So it's very simple. Yes. And children, if my voice is breaking in between, please let me know, okay? So that I can correct it. If my voice is breaking in between, please let me know. Okay, children. So the sum is 200. Okay, if you add both the meters together, you are getting 200 meters. Okay. So yes, you are right. So the next example is this. Manasa, are you done with the first example? Okay, so the second example is what is the difference? Okay. Okay. Okay, Aksha. So what is the difference? Okay, so you are going to find the difference in meter. So the first ill which I have dropped here is 950 meter. Okay, so I think it's a very big ill. So it's 950 meter, and the second mountain which is 706 meter. So you are going to subtract it. Okay, as simple as it, you are going to subtract it. So place the numbers in uh, correct column. 950. So 9 in hundreds, 50 in tens, and 0 in ones, and 7 in 100, 0 in tens, and 6 in ones place. Drop it correctly and try to subtract it. I will be giving you 2 minutes. Try to drop the numbers in correct columns and subtract it properly. Okay, and drop the messages. So here we are subtracting the length between from the first mountain to the second mountain. Okay, so we are just subtracting it. That's it. Okay, so in length we will be having this much of sums, easier sums. So let's quickly learn what is it. Yes, and whenever you are dropping the answers, whenever you are writing the answers, you should write along with the units. Okay, so if the answer is 244, you should write 244 meter. Okay, the units are very important as answer it is. Okay, answer is very important, like that the units also very important. Okay. Okay, children. Varnika, can you check your answer, Varnika? If you subtract 706 from 950, what will be the answer? And all others, yes, your answer is right. And please try to draw the answer with the units, okay? It is very important. Yes, okay. And children, once again I am repeating, please don't distract by these stickers, okay? Please don't get distracted by these stickers. Please concentrate in the sum. Instead of sending stickers, you can send the answers. I will be happy with that. No dear, as 950 as 0, we are subtracting it, right? So we are borrowing it from 5. So see to that and write the correct answer. We are borrowing from 5 as the ones place in 950 is 0. So check to that and tell me the answer, Varnika. Okay, all others, I think you are done with the answer. Let's wait for 2 minutes. Wait. So 950, right? So it's subtraction with regrouping. So it's 0 is in ones place. So we can't subtract 6 from 0. So we are borrowing it from 5. So 0 becomes 10 and 5 becomes 4. So if you subtract like that, you will get the correct answer, Varnika. Please drop the correct answer so that I can move to the next question. Yes, I think you got it now. Superb. So, thank you, children. Thank you. Your responses are very good. Thank you so much. So, the third question is, you are going to add the meters, okay? You are just going to add it. So, the first question is 760 meters, okay? So, the first pyramid is 760. And this the next one is something like fountain, so it's about 290. Okay, so children, please make the no need to draw the diagrams and all, but please make note of the numbers, try to solve it and draw the answers. Okay, if you having the habit of solving, it will be very easy. So you are going to add the meters. Okay, the first measurement is 760 plus 290 meters. So if you are going to add these two measurements, what will be the answer? As it is a very big number, you may also find it difficult, but try to solve it. Try to explore it, okay? Try to solve it. If you have any doubt, you can drop. I can teach you. Just a simple addition, okay? So try to solve it. And if you are finding it difficult with the greater numbers, if you have any doubt, please drop the doubt in chat box so that I can see. So 750, okay, 760. So you are going to drop 7 in hundreds place, 6 in tens place, and 0 in ones place, followed by 290. So 2 in hundreds place, 9 in tens place, and 0 in ones place. If you had the both, 0 plus 0 will be 0, and 9 plus 6, it's 15, right? So we are carrying it 1. So drop 5 down and 1 and carry over, and 7 plus 2 is 9. Already we have 1 in carryover, so it's 10. So what is the answer? Yes, I can see many messages. Your answers are right. Sai Srinikesh, you can check your answer once again. And the right answer is 1050. Okay. But children, be careful with the carryover sums. Okay. Here we are carrying the tens column, right? So be careful with the carryovers and be careful while solving the sums which as the carryover sums. Okay. Yes. 1050. Yes. Superb. Crimson, Tanisha, Kavya, Akshaya, Purnesh, Adita, Pragati, Siddharth, Sai, Varnika, superb. Nivan, Ilan, Jonas, Sai, superb. Everyone, Rob, I think everyone is right. And I want answers from everyone. Okay, I'm just checking your names randomly. Okay, so I want answers from everyone. Yes, superb. It's 1050 meters. Okay, if you are going to add the height of the pyramid and fountain together, you will be having 1050 meter. Yes, right. Your answer is right now. Superb. So far you came across the addition and the subtraction sums in length, right? So I'm having a different set of questions now. So let me learn what is that. Okay. Yes, superb. Can I move to the next example? Are you all done? Thank you for the other day. Yes, I will wait for 2 more minutes. Finish it off. Okay. So the next question is something different. Okay. You are going to fill the sign. Okay. So you are going to tell me which number is the greater number. Okay. Yes. So if you see there is a big mother elephant and the baby elephant there, right? So the mother elephant is 8.8 meters. Okay. And the small baby elephant is about 4.8 meters. So what you are going to do is you are going to fill the sign. Okay. With the alligator mouth, you are going to fill it. So see to that which is the greater number, and the alligator mouth always open towards the big number, right? So see to that and drop the sign carefully. Okay. Please make a note of only the numbers. Okay. No need to draw the pictures. Make a note of only the numbers. So this is your 1, 2, 3, fourth sum. Okay. So write the four number and make note of the numbers alone. 8.8 meters and 4.8 meters. Yes, 8.8 meter is greater. So the alligator mouth will always open towards the greatest number. So 8.8 is greater. Yes, almost everyone is right. It's a quite easy sum, as you all know. It's a quite easy sum. make a note of the numbers and draw the sign properly. Okay, sometimes you will be having the same measurement. Okay, here also 8.8 and the left and right hand side also you will be having 8.8. In that case, what you will do, you will just fill the equal to sign. That's it. Okay, don't get confused. You will be filling the equal to sign and that will be the answer. Okay, yes. So you may find it very easy sum. Okay, can I move to the next one? Okay, so the next question is, so what you are going to do is you are going to read it carefully. Okay, this is not the sum like the previous one. The measurements are not given directly. Okay, they are giving some clues to find the. Oh my God, Ranav, what is the time, Ranav? So the measurement of the B tree is not given directly. Okay, so they are giving some clues to find the measurement of D. So let me read that. So the measurement, if my screen is visible. Okay, so the measurement of A tree is 30 meters. Okay, so it's directly given, it's 30 meters, and the measurement of B, what they are telling is, the clue is 12 meters less than A. So as you see the picture, the B tree is very small, right? So it will be definitely shorter than the A tree. And they are also telling that 12 meters less than A. So what they are telling, it's 12 meters less than the A tree. So what you are going to do, less means what? You are going to subtract it. So the clue word is less. Okay, less means we are going to subtract it. So 30 minus 12. Okay, so if you find 30, what is the number? If we find the difference between 30 minus 12, you will be getting one answer. So that will be the meter of the small tree. Okay, so find what is 30 minus 12. Yes, your answers are right. It's 18 meter. The correct answer is 18 meter. Okay, so in this type of question, what you are going to do is you are going to read the question carefully. Okay, you are going to find what is the clue word uh, hiding behind, and you are going to find the answers with the clue. Okay, so you are going to read the question very carefully, you are going to understand the question carefully, and then you are going to solve it. So the length, I mean the height of the plant, the tree B is 18 meter. Again, if you see, this sum is subtraction with regrouping. Okay, so if the sum is with subtraction with regrouping, what you are going to do, you are going to borrow the numbers. Okay, so drop 33 in tens place and 0 in ones place, and drop 12 1 in tens place and 2 in ones place. If you drop it, is it possible to subtract 2 from 0? Is it possible to subtract 2 from 0? No, right? Yes. So you are going to borrow it from the next number, which is 3. Okay, so you are going to borrow from 3. If you borrow it, you can get the answer. So 10 minus 2 is 8, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 18. Okay, I think Vanika is clear now. And Ranav, please take your answer. So the answer is 18. So the height of the tree B is 18 meter. If you are done with the question, we can also move to the next example. Can I move to the next example, dear? Super. Okay, okay, I will be waiting. I will be waiting for the next 2 minutes. Finish it off. Okay. So the answer is 18. So let me shoot out the next question. I hope my screen is also moving. Okay. So if you see that there are two towers there. One is the Eiffel Tower and the next one is the telephone tower. So we are going to find what is the height of the Eiffel Tower. Okay. So the first clue what they are giving is 150 meter more than B. Okay, what they are telling, the first tower is 150 meter more than B. So what is the clue word hiding here? It's more than. More than means you are going to add it. Okay, more than means you are going to add it. Okay, so what they are telling is they are not giving the measurement of the Eiffel Tower. So they are giving the clue that it's 150 meter more than B. So they are telling 150 meter higher than B. So let me find out what is the length of the telephone tower. The telephone tower is 150 meter. So they are giving the answer that the telephone tower is 150 meter. So what is the Eiffel Tower measurement then? So we are going to add it. Okay. So 150 plus already given that it's the measurement of the B is 50. So you are going to add 150 plus 150. If you're going to add the clue number along with the given number, you can find the measurement of the Eiffel Tower. So with the clue, we can find the measurement of the Eiffel Tower. So come on, add 150 meter plus 150 meter. Yes, if you add 150 meter plus 150 meter, it's a simple addition sum. So draw the numbers in correct column. So 0 plus 0 will be 0 and 5 plus 5 it's equal to 10. So on another 0 will be there and the carryover 1 will be there. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So the answer will be 300 meter. Children write the numbers and try to solve the numbers and then draw the answers. Okay, try to solve it and then draw the messages. Yes, Elen, I think few of your friends are still solving. Let's wait for 2 minutes. So 150 meter plus 150 meter is equal to 300 meter. So height of the tower A, that is the height of the Eiffel Tower, is 300 meter. Okay, so the next example is this. I'm going to tell you the only question. Okay, no, I will not drop the clue and all. Okay, only the question. Okay, the first I think it's like a temple. So the first temple is 240 meter, and the second temple is 180 meter less than A. Okay, so the clue answer is less than. So decide whether we have to subtract or add, and you are going to find what is the height of the B. Okay, so the first temple is 240 meter. Drop 240 in correct place and drop 180 down, and the clue answer is less than A. So I will not tell whether it's subtraction or addition. Decide yourself, think twice, and then drop the messages. Okay, and as you observe the numbers, it's with regrouping. Okay, so observe the numbers, try to solve it, and drop the messages, and the clue word is less than A. So with this question, I will give you some time. Okay, I will give you some time. With this question, I will let me explain the activity also. So today's activity is you will be measuring your door. Okay, third period also math. So that time we can discuss about the yesterday's activity. Okay, that time I will ask you what is the measurement of your dining table. We will discuss about in third period. And the today's activity is you will be measuring your door. Okay, so this answer will be discussed tomorrow. Okay, today's activity is you are going to measure your door. Simple. Okay, as you are measuring the table, like that you are going to measure the door also. Okay, so try to solve this sum. Meantime, I will finish off my attendance also. Okay. Okay, children.
What is
Yes, dear.
class?
Next you will be having your value education. Now I request everyone to mute your call.
Ma'am, what next call, ma'am?
So let me quickly move on to the attendance. Kindly unmute your call whenever I am calling your name, okay? And give your attendance, okay?
Ma'am, next what?
Adrita. Wait, Pragati. Let me finish off your attendance.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Adrita. Aksha Vijay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Aksha.
Can I leave, ma'am?
Yeah, you can leave, dear. You can leave. Akshaya.